Okay, welcome everyone. Kevin LaRocca here with Binary Pro Strategies. Today is October 14th of 2018. It's a Sunday night, and I just want to demonstrate something here because I've had a lot of people asking me about, how effective is the my nibble strategy and these particular patterns that I have identified, and they're extremely powerful. In fact, they will usually tell me within minutes what direction the market wants to go in, and it's highly accurate. And the reason that's so important when you're trading 5-minute binaries is all we care about is where it's going to go over the next 3 to 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, and so I want to demonstrate this slide. This is actually a 1-minute chart right now of the Euro USD, and what it's telling me right now is this market wants to break. It wants to come down. That's what my pattern is showing me. So I wanted you to kind of follow this. So even though you're seeing this going up, a lot of people would think that the market's going higher. No, in fact, it wants to come down, and it looks like it wants to come down fairly hard here. So let's just keep an eye on this and let's watch what happens so you can see the power of what I teach my students. Keep watching. It's getting ready to break at any minute here. And the way you trade something like this is what I would be doing is I would be looking for a strike price that's above this market. Basically, it's in the money, and I wait until this expires. Either I'll wait till the 5-minute expires or take my profit and or reverse. In this case, I'm just going to hold it here because I think this is going to break pretty hard. So let's just watch how this plays out. So you can see it's beginning the weekend here. Remember, we've already sold. We're selling up here, so we're still in the money. And watch how this break takes off here. It's going to fall really hard. Most people looking at this say, no, it looks like this market wants to go higher. But that's not what the market's telling me. That's not what my patterns are telling me. It's telling me this market wants to break and break pretty hard here. And I started talking about this several minutes ago. So just watch how accurate this is. It's telling me minutes in advance exactly where it wants to go. And when you have this tool, when you use this tool, when you're trading 5-minute Nadex binaries, it makes a whole lot easier getting on the right side of the market. And there she goes. I knew 1, 2, 3 minutes in advance that this market was going to break. It has nothing to do with tops, support and resistance. Doesn't have anything to do with an indicator. There's no stochastics or divergence or anything like that. This is strictly a unique set of patterns that when they all line up, it's very highly predictable in terms of which way the market wants to go. And when I talk patterns, once again, don't get confused with head and shoulders, wedges, channels. It has nothing to do with that. These are unique behavioral patterns that when they all line up, it signals where this market wants to go. You should see more of a break here because it's still telling me she wants to come down. So let's see if this Euro US continues to come down as it's predicting it will. So even if your option already expired, you would have made money because remember you sold up here. You could come in and you can sell another one up here because it's safe to say this market still has more downside to go. And that's what the patterns are telling me. It wants to come lower. There she goes. There she goes. So how much more, or how much more successful would you be if you knew about this unique set of patterns? And once again, this works in all the currency pairs. It works. I use it for the 5-minute binaries because it's so darn accurate in terms of predicting market direction. And if you've been following any of my trades, you can see just how profitable I've been trading off of these set of patterns. So nonetheless, that's it. I just wanted to show that live so you could see it. And yeah, it does have more room to go. So anyhow, that's it. And I will be back Monday with my next update to show my trades and how I did in our daily chat room. Take care. Yep, and she is still going down. Just amazing. Take care.